to talk to you about how to know when it's time to ask for help. And let me just tell you, I know it is not an easy thing to ask for help, especially when you consider yourself quite independent, like myself. Some of you might not know, but I'm sharing anyway. I grew up in a single mom, what is it called? Single family household. My mom and dad co-parented. I guess that's the new sexy word, co-parent. So I really wasn't, my mom wasn't sort of a single parent, but still I lived with her after my mom and dad got divorced. However, with that came that I had to do a lot of things on my own. I had to become more independent because my mom couldn't do everything. My dad lived in the next town over. So basically by the time I asked my parents for help, I probably much had it solved, right? And that's pretty much how I've lived my entire life, that I tend to just figure things out on my own. However, although I figured it out on my own, there were times that I needed to ask for help a lot, okay? Instead of just struggling with it. And I think that's the lesson that I want to share with you guys, that if you know you need help, ask for help now. Number one way is that you are capable of doing whatever you can do, but you are afraid. Now, let me give you an example of this, right? A lot of times we know we are capable of starting a business. We know we are capable of selling our awesome offer, right? But we are afraid to show up. We know that we need to show up on social media. We know we need to be more engaging with our ideal clients, but we're just a little afraid of what other people might think. Then that is the time that you ask for help from somebody who has done what you want to do, okay? That person doesn't necessarily need to be at a super duper higher level. They just need to be a couple of steps ahead of you. Number two, so you don't understand something. Now, there are so many strategies, marketing, technology, techie stuff that's out there, and it is very hard to wrap your brain around it, right? One of the things for me is that I'm good at math, but I don't like finances. Like, I don't really understand about where to put my money in the right place and how important credit is. I know credit is important, but I don't know all the ins and outs. So guess what? I got help. I asked my husband things like that. Like, that's his specialty. So I got help on things that I don't understand. So if you are that person who don't understand how to do something, get the help. You're sitting right now trying to figure out something that you've been trying to work on for the longest and you cannot get it, then it's taking you longer to get the results, right? So that's the whole thing. The reason why I'm sharing this with you is because I want to see you guys get faster results on the things that you want to do. I don't want you to let pride hold you back. I don't want you to let fear hold you back from getting the things that you want, that you deserve. Number three is a big one, and it's probably the most frequent one that we tend to ask help. Oh, well, let me take that back. This is the one that we least likely probably would ask help from because we're so ashamed. And that is, you have tried, but you have failed. You have tried it first, but you keep failing. You have tried to get clients, but you don't get the right clients. You have tried to do the social media and you just get crickets. No one responds. That is the time to get help. If you have tried something and you continue to fail, okay? I know our pride says, oh my gosh, I cannot ask for help. Let me figure this out on my own. But y'all, stop this. Let's go into 2021, right? Doing the things that sets us up for success. I want you to sit down with yourself and say, okay, what is it that I'm struggling with right now? Am I struggling with something in my personal life, with something that's going on with me in my weight? Is it something going on with my mental? What is it that I am struggling with right now, and who can help me solve this? Sister, brother, whoever, right? Because listen, asking for help is not a sign of weakness. Asking for help is a sign of strength. Asking for help lets that other person know that you are committed to getting the results and getting the results faster. Okay, so that's what I just wanted to say to you. That was what was put in my spirit today to share with you, that asking for help is not a bad thing at all. Get in front of the right people who can help you be successful. And if you do that, you are guaranteed to bring in 2021 doing and living your best. And I just wanted to let you know that if no one has said it to you today, I'm going to say it to you, is that I absolutely love you, that I believe in you, and I know that you can do the best. I see nothing but greatness in you. All right, you guys have an awesome and blessed day, and I'll be talking to you later.